How to rename a Slack channel. If you have been using the Slack application and want to learn how to rename the channel on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now here you can find the channels right here. Now to rename it, simply choose one of these just like this. Then tap on to name of the channel and tap on the three dot lines right here. Select it. Then tap on to settings and details right here. Select it. Then here you can find edit button. Tap on it. Then tap on to the name just like this. Now to rename it, simply remove this one and add a new project name and tap on to save. And now we can see you have simply renamed the channel. And that's it. This is how you can rename a Slack channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.